Welcome back to the channel. So this is a mini tour of my home, at least part of my home. This is what I call the formal side. So as you can see, I live in an open concept floor plan, and it is important when you live in an open concept space to make sure that when you decorate, you coordinate the colors across the entire space so that you do not have competing colors or competing decor. So all of these spaces I have shown you individually in previous videos. My purpose for showing you this video is to show you how when you look across the space, everything matches ceiling to floor and floor to ceiling. I first want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for my longtime supporters and welcome to my new subscribers. If you are not one of my subscribers and you just happen to tap into this video, thank you for stopping by. I hope by the end of the video you too will consider joining Freddie King's home decor team. On my channel, I talk and teach what's called the color palette series, and the color palette series teaches you how to mix and match your colors so that you can create a cohesive palette all in one design. So what you do is you use your base colors. The base colors are the things that do not change from design to design. That's like the color of the paint on the walls, the color of your floors. It is your furniture, most often your rugs, your drapes. Those things you usually do not swap out each time you create another design. And then you add the accent colors. I like to refer to them as pops of colors. Those are the colors that will accent the base in order to make your home look unique and beautiful. So in this particular video, as I just walk the room and pan all of the different spaces, you can see that I have pulled in burnt orange as one of my signature colors. That burnt orange is present in the formal living space. As you can see, I am showing you now. When I pan the camera back around, you'll see it in the entryway by the Bernhardt credenza, and you'll also see it on the table. That's actually furniture signature table that I purchased about a year ago. I've added in ivory to complement my furniture, and I've also added in greenery in each of the respective spaces. So I just wanted to share and show you how it all comes together. So I'm now going to address the elephant in the room, or should I say the fountain in the house. I get a lot of questions about this indoor fountain. It is a travertine original. We left it in its natural state. You can see that from the front of the fountain, it looks very worn. We like it that way. This water fountain adds a soothing, serene sound at night, and it also has lights on it. So when we turn all the lights off at night in this space, it is absolutely beautiful, especially when you come through the front doors and look straight out through the quadruple pane doors out to the pool and lanai area. So I'm just continuing to walk the space and show you how I have coordinated these colors across the entire open concept. The majority of what I'm showing you is a Shop My Home original, meaning I already had these things and I've had them for years. I just moved them around, changed them out a little bit to create this palette that I'm sharing today. Across from me, you can see the credenza. I call that my entryway. That is a Bernhardt signature piece that I acquired from North Carolina. Actually, I had it shipped down to Orlando when I purchased it from a luxury store. I absolutely love it. It is a one of a kind, and I just really wanted to have it and incorporate it into our home. From this vantage point, you can see that I have a lot of woodwork and trim in our home. We live in a Greek-inspired home. That just basically means the Corinthian-style columns, all of the wood trim work. We have a glass paned or a stained glass, I'm going to call it window or an insert in the top of the ceiling over that fountain. It's just really beautiful. And you probably also noticed that the interior doors in at least this part of the house are actually exterior doors. We have outside doors in the inside, and they too have the natural wood look. It actually just makes the house look very unique, which is what we really like. I've showed you the Corinthian style columns before, but as I swivel the camera and you see me pan around in this space, you'll see them again whenever I turn around. And again, if you are not one of my subscribers and you happen to come across this video, I thank you for stopping by, but I hope you too will consider joining Freddie King's home decor team. Click your subscribe button, click your notification bell so you too will be notified each time I upload. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next video.